today class we are going to see group 17th elements. Okay, group 17th, what are the elements present? Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astridine. Okay, fluorine and chlorine is a gas and bromine is a liquid in condition. Okay, and iodine is a solid and astridine it is a radioactive element. Okay, right. So halo means it is a salt genus producer, salt producer, because this halogens most probably it is occurred in sea water. Okay, so in the form of sodium chloride and sodium bromide, sodium iodide. Okay, so it is from sea water. So this is called halogens. Okay, salt producers. Okay, and the fluorine it is present in calcium fluoride CaF2 and fluorspar and sodium aluminum fluoride. Okay, so it is exist in the form of compound in nature. Okay, right. Its electronic configuration is it resemble with helium electronic configurations 2s to 2p5, and neon chlorine is neon electronic configuration resemble with neon electronic configuration 3s to 3p5 and 4s to 4p5 and 5s to 5p5 and 6s to 6p5. Okay, so this is for your electronic configurations. Okay, and so periodic trends, the first character is atomic and ionic radii. Okay, so across the period what's happening, and down the group atomic and ionic radii what's happening. Okay, this is the question. The halogens have the smallest atomic radii in the respective periods due to maximum effective nuclear charge. Okay, so this is for across the period. Atomic and ionic radii increases from fluorine to iodine due to increasing number of quantum shells. This is down the group. Okay, so here students you see here across the period and down the group. Okay, so here you see that 13th group, 14th, 15th and 16th and 17th. Okay, here what's happening, for across the period only the proton and electrons are increases, not for shells. Okay, not for shells. ஷெல்லோட இது வந்து என்ன செய்யாது, இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகாது. ஏன்னா அக்ராஸ் த பீரியடில் வந்து there are 1 or 2 electrons go and added the last valence shell. At the time what's happening, this Z effect is high. Z effect means highly effective nuclear charges. Okay, if the highly effective nuclear charges is high, the ability to attract the nucleus is can ability to attract the last shell electron tightly. Okay, so that time the size it will become decreasing. Okay, so that along the period or across the period atomic and ionic radii should be decreases. Okay, so that only in the group 17th elements the least size. Okay, so small size. Okay, but what's happening for down the group, atomic number increases. See here 9, 17, 35 atomic number increases, number of shells also increases for 2s, for 3s and 4s, 5s, 6s. So shells also increases. So atomic and the distance between the nucleus and the outermost electrons, the distance also increases. So the down the group atomic and ionic radii should increases. Okay, so you keep it in your mind, across the period decreases, down the group increases. Okay, the second character is ionization enthalpy. Okay, so ionization enthalpy means energy required to pick up one electron from the valence shell electron. Okay, so here the across the period and down the group whether the ionization enthalpy increase or decrease. Okay, here they have little tendency to lose electrons, they so that they have very high ionization enthalpy. Okay, but down the group ionization enthalpy decreases because of due to the increase in atomic size. So here already we studied for along the across the period effective nuclear charge is high Okay, so we cannot remove easily from electron from the valence shell. Okay, so it is not possible. Okay, because of the ability to hold the electron from itself for this nucleus. Okay, effective nuclear charge வந்து அதிகமாக இருக்கிறதுனால சைஸ் வந்து என்ன செய்யுது, அது வந்து எக்ஸ்ட்ரா இந்த லாஸ்ட் பேலன்ஸ் எலக்ட்ரானை என்ன செய்யுது, பிடிச்சி இழுத்துக்கிறோம். ஏன்னா அதோட இந்த இது வந்து எப்படி அந்த ஷெல்ஸ் வந்து இந்த எலக்ட்ரான் ப்ரெசன்ட் ஹியர் யூ see that this is 2 electron and this is for 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so the distance is very small gap. அப்போ இது வந்து ஈஸியாக என்ன செய்யுது, பிடிச்சி இழுத்துரும். அதே இது along down the group பார்த்தோம் அப்படின்னோன்னா, so the size and the distance between the nucleus and the valence electron, the distance would be very high, so easily we can remove one electron from that. Okay, so that ionization enthalpy decreases down the group, increases across the period. Okay, right. And electronegativity. So what do you mean electronegativity? Attract the share pair of electrons. Okay, so here they have very high electronegativity due to their small size. So compared to this, the 13th group to 17th group is the effective nuclear charge would be more. So the size would become very small. Okay, so that the ability to attract the pair of electron from itself. Okay, so the down the group electronegativity decreases as the size increases, so electronegativity decreases. Fluorine is the most electronegative element in the periodic table. For 17th group, the presence of fluorine is the most electronegative element. Okay, because of its size is very small. Okay, character is electron gain enthalpy. Electron gain enthalpy means add one electron to release some amount of energy, that is electron gain, that time to release the energy. Okay, so that is electron gain enthalpy. Here halogens have maximum negative electron gain enthalpy in the corresponding periods. Okay, so why, what is the reason? These elements have smallest size. Okay, keep it in your mind. The first point, the elements, for group 17th, it is a smallest size in their respective period and maximum effective nuclear charge. Okay, if the size is small, when the size would become small because of effective nuclear charge. Okay, to hold the electron from itself. Okay, so that small size and effective nuclear charge, as a result they are ready to accept one electrons to form a noble gas configurations. Okay, so the reason they have one electron less for compared for noble electronic configuration, so easily they can accept the one electron and it can attain the noble gas configurations. Okay, this is electron gain enthalpy. Okay, but here one question, electron gain enthalpy become less negative down the group, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Okay, down the group the electron gain enthalpy become less negative as because of the size increasing. Size increasing means because of the distance between the nucleus and the outermost shell electron, the size become increases, so the electron gain enthalpy also become very less. Okay, so one question, the EGE, electron gain enthalpy of fluorine is less than that of chlorine. ஓகே, ஸோ யூஸ்வலாக கீழே மேலேருந்து கீழே வரும்போது இது எலக்ட்ரான் கெயின் என்தால்பி டிக்ரீஸ் ஆகுது. ஆனால் இங்கே பார்த்தோன்னா ஃப்ளூரின் வந்து என்னது லெஸ்ஸாக இருக்குது குளோரின் கம்பேர்ட் டு குளோரின் அப்படின்னு. வாட் இஸ் த ரீசன் அப்படின்னு கேட்குங்க. ஃப்ளூரின் இஸ் எ வெரி ஸ்மால். ஓகே, ஃப்ளூரின் இஸ் எ very small, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so it is a 2:2p5, very small. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, only one electron. If it is to attract one electron means here interatomic repulsions takes place. Okay, for fluorine because of its size, it is a small, so to attract one electrons means the interatomic repulsions takes place. Okay, but compared to this fluorine, the chlorine, the size become big. Okay, so there is a possibility to attract one electrons. So here there is in the chlorine there is no interatomic repulsions, it cannot takes place. Okay, so that the reason is electron gain enthalpy of fluorine is less than that of chlorine. Okay, ரெண்டே ரெண்டு பாயிண்ட் தான், அதாவது size small size, effective nuclear charge is high, and if it is add one electron means the interatomic forces repulsions takes place. But compared to this the fluorine, chlorine become a bigger size, so it cannot the interatomic repulsions takes place, so that the chlorine is high for electron gain enthalpy, fluorine is less. Okay. Students, you see here the overall sum up here. For group 17th elements, electronegativity, the periodic trends, fluorine is high when compared to chlorine. Okay, so because of this is highly electronegative element. Okay, for electron gain enthalpy, chlorine is greater for compared to fluorine, because of fluorine is very small size, so effective nuclear charge is high, so interatomic repulsions takes place. Okay, so here the chlorine is compared to fluorine, it is a bigger size, so no interatomic repulsions takes place. Okay, so electron gain enthalpy, chlorine is higher, greater than higher to compare to that fluorine. Okay, and this is group 16th elements. The same electronegativity for oxygen is greater compared to that of sulfur. Okay, and electron gain enthalpy, sulfur is greater because oxygen is small size. Okay, so sulfur is electron gain enthalpy is more. Okay, for fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Fluorine and chlorine, it is a gaseous form. Okay, bromine at room temperature it exists in the form of liquid. Okay, iodine it is a solid. Astridine it is a radioactive element, already we studied. Okay, here the halogens are colored in nature. Okay, what is the reason? Question. Okay, halogens, what is the general electronic configuration? Ns2 np5. Okay, it's for s orbital 2 electrons and p orbitals for totally 5 electrons. Okay, this is one unpaired electron is present, so this is a reason for this one unpaired electrons, it absorbs certain energy, certain visible light, and it goes to the, it exists in goes to excited state. Okay, for இந்த ஒரு அன்பேர்ட் எலக்ட்ரான் வந்து என்ன செய்யுது, எனர்ஜியை அப்சார்ப் பண்ணிட்டு இமீடியட்டாக எங்கே போகுது, இட் கோ டு த எக்ஸைட்டட் ஸ்டேட். ஃபார் திஸ் எக்ஸைட்டட் ஸ்டேட் த presence of electron is not stable conditions. Okay, immediately it will come back to ground state. Okay, ground state that time, so release the energy, absorb பண்ண எனர்ஜியை என்ன செய்யுது, ரிலீஸ் பண்ணுது. So that is visible region, it looks certain colors, so that only the halogens are different colors. For example, fluorine is a yellow color gas, chlorine is a green gas, and bromine is a red color, and iodine is a violet color. Okay, what is the reason? Presence of this one unpaired electron. In the one unpaired electron என்ன செய்யுது, ground state ல இருந்து energy absorb பண்ணி excited போகுது, excited state ல வந்து it is not stable condition, so immediately it will come back to ground state, so release some energy. At the visible region it looks different colors. Okay, and sometimes see here for fluorine and chlorine it is a highly soluble in water, but the bromine and iodine sparingly soluble with water but soluble in organic solvents. What are the organic solvents? Carbon tetrachloride, carbon disulfide, and benzene. Suppose this bromine dissolved with carbon tetrachloride or benzene, so it will the color it will appear red in color. Okay, so the red color liquid, that is the bromine. Suppose it will violet in color, it is a iodine. Okay, the bond dissociation enthalpy. Okay, down the group size increases, bond length also increases, that time bond strength completely should decrease. Okay, so for fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and iodine. Okay, so the order of bond dissociation enthalpy is fluorine less than chlorine and greater than bromine, greater than iodine. Okay, or else the order is iodine less than fluorine, less than bromine, less than chlorine. Okay, right. Here the question is bond dissociation enthalpy of F2 less than Cl2Y. Okay, here for fluorine, there are here the unpaired electrons, the pair of electrons are present 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, for this fluorine 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, here you see that the presence of this, the lone pair of electrons for this fluorine, this case, the inter-electronic repulsions takes place. So here the so many because of the size, very small size, so again and again there is no possibility, no. So inter-electronic repulsions takes place for the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so many times the inter-electronic repulsions takes place. Okay, but this for chlorine compared to fluorine, chlorine is a somewhat big size. Okay, here also the hells lot of inter-electronic repulsions takes place. இங்கேயும் அதே மாதிரி எலக்ட்ரானிக் இன்டர் எலக்ட்ரானிக் ரிப்பல்ஷன்ஸ் நடக்குது. பட் த ரீசன் இஸ் இட் இஸ் அ ஸ்மால் சைஸ், இட் இஸ் அ வெரி ஸ்மால் சைஸ். ஓகே, த ஸ்மால் சைஸாக இருக்கிறதுனால இதில் இன்டர் அட்டாமிக் எலக்ட்ரானிக் ரிப்பல்ஷன்ஸ் நடக்கிறதுனால இந்த பாண்ட் வந்து எப்படி இருக்குது, ரொம்ப வீக்காக இருக்குது, ரொம்ப எப்படி இருக்குது, வீக்காக இருக்குது. ஸோ the weak electronic, the weak bond, the bond dissociation enthalpy is very less. Okay, so the amount of energy required to break, it is a little amount of energy required to break this fluorine bond, so that the reason fluorine is less compared to that chlorine. Bond dissociation enthalpy of fluorine is less compared to that of chlorine. Okay.